Hi, Lemon. What's up, Lemon? Alright, I got the stupid cage apart because we're gonna clean the nest. It's stupid, like this dog right there. It's dirty, it's got poop on it, inside it. Lemon's in there, he's gonna be really unhappy with us. Parley's in there. He's gonna be very upset with us. We're gonna scrape off all this junk with a knife.
The knife is
and then open it up. Yay.
2 knives.
Yay.
Hold on. I will record.
There goes Lemon.
I hope she's joining her son.
There goes both of them.
Are they up there? I gotta get this. Shit! Who's that? Oh no, no. Who is that? Cricket? Oh no. Look. Lemon's on the light over there.
Is it gonna be hot? Oh, hi, Cricket.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hi, Cricket. You're not doing a very good video job here.
I know. Hi!
You don't make a good videographer.
He's
That's
fast.
Cricket flying around. That's Cammy failing to get them on video.
Here he is.
There are knives over here, so we need to get... Whoa!
Whoa!
It's just me, punk.
Come here. It's okay. Dude, he flies really good.
You think? Stop.
Holy crap. Oh shoot, you kidding? Oh man.
Hi.
Yeah, what a look.
Frenchie's disgusting, dirty, gross TV. Stuck.
Come on, boy.
Ow! Don't bite, don't
You
bite,
did?
don't bite.
Oh, I'm gonna kill him.
Oh!
Man down.
There you go. Hi. How are you? You really don't need to fly away like that. That's not nice.
He flies really good.
Oh. Someone's been pecking your head. Is it Daddy?
Isn't it usually? He's a little shit. He can't do it. Maybe put him on top of, yeah. Oh wow, they really messed that up, huh?
Yeah, we should have put a towel on it. Or put it in a cage that's more than 3 inches
Oh,
wide.
I know. Unfortunately, this cage is not the friendliest cage.
Piece of shit. It's too thick, too small. It's square, so all their poop.
It's so.
It's square. So
Yeah,
wide.
it's not wide, nothing.
So their poop lands on this. Instead of the floor. This is disgusting.
Wow.
That sound must be nice inside the box.
I know, poor thing.
Well, when I poop on a box, nobody comes and cleans it off for me, so.
That's gross. I don't know if we want to know about your pooping in a box.
Well, do anything I can, you know?
Oh, that's much better.
Alright. There we go. Inside the box here we have Dad, who is going to be
Well, he's mad at me.
not cooperating, to say the least.
Hi, Papa. Okay. Oh, I see your baby. I see your baby. I see him. Hi. I see your baby. I do. I'm getting away from him. Oh, he's pissed.
Trampling the bird.
Oh no, oh no. Oh my goodness.
Get him a little piece of, a little bunch of stuff somewhere.
Hello, little fella. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're such a precious monkey.
He feels good and warm, so they've been doing good with him.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's so tiny.
Camera's not working.
Oh no. Hey little guy.
Watching his face in the right way. Oops.
Oh no.
Nest. Clean the nest.
I know, I can't help it. Alright, I gotta stop this.
If you want.
Oh, oh great. How the heck am I supposed to clean the nest? Look at that.
Huh?
Look at this jerk.
Oh shit.
Yeah, exactly. How am I supposed to clean the nest? I don't want to touch him. He'll be pissed off at me. That's cute.
Looks good.
He is so cute.
He's really stumbly. He's so new. Alright, we gotta get him back in his nest.
Okay, yeah.
So.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this.
Okay. You aren't doing it, so I'm doing it. What?
I didn't want to touch it because of Curly.
This egg is definitely dead.
Really? How do you tell?
Cracked.
Oh.
This egg's cracked too. They're broken. But Cricket and Daddy are feeding. This egg's broken too. So is this one.
Really?
These eggs are really beat up. Get some feeding out, they're really cool.
Oh shit.
Nice job. Oh.
That's alright.
Anyway, this is what the nest looks like. It's a box with a hole. I just put a little piece of paper towel down. There. Excuse me. And some of this stuff. Carefresh Natural Pet Bedding. It costs a fortune, but cheapest of the stuff that is apparently acceptable. And it's been nice to me a long time. Except it's going to run out right now.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. So, looks like it's time to go to the pet store and get some more. Because I'm made of money.
Oh yeah, aren't we all?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just grows in a tree outside and I just, you know.
Pick it off when you need it?
Yeah. No, I'm not picking off when they need it. Here are the eggs, of which are nice and warm. Most of which are cracked and dead. And I should throw them away. I'll do that next time. I was not in the mood right now to throw eggs away. And there you go. Baby's over here. Not happy. And there she is. Looks good.
Hi, precious.
Looks okay. Everything looks good. It's cold. Get back inside, which should be warm. They're in there. Oh, Pearly just fell off the cage, but that's okay. It happens all the time because he can't fly.
Hi, baby.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Look at a picture of our...
Nice, clean.
Yeah, he's all shivering and pathetic looking. It makes me look like I'm abusing him.
I know, but you're not.
No, he's fine.
You showed everybody how you cleaned it.
See, already closes this up. Still on?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we're still on. Good. Yay. Alright, we're going to close this puppy up and stick it back in this cage, which has to be like taken completely apart.
Just to do this.
Just to do this, which is so not fun.
Yeah.
And it goes. And it goes.
Definitely need a new cage.
Yeah. So that's how it works. Put this back together. Try to get all the birdies back in the cage. Close it up. And go die. Because I'm tired. That's it. Hi, Cricket. What are the odds I can get you to go? Oh!
Oh, shit!
Scared the shit out of me. Hi. That's Pearly. Pearly's the dad.
He's a pain.
Pearly's a pain. He used to be my buddy.
Look, but he's on your foot. That's awesome.
He is. There he goes.
Hi, Cricky. Now he's gonna climb back to the top.
Typical Pearly. Alright, we have to get Lemon.
Yep. She'll let you get around the ladder or something.
Yeah.
Hi.
That's Dad. Dad and baby. Dad has a look away policy when you take a picture. Right, Dad? Yeah. Or clean yourself.
Here comes a little Cricky. He's like, take mine, take mine. Look at him. He's a little ham. He's like, yeah. Isn't he cute? Look, he's posing. He's showing you his good side.
Hey.
He's like, alright, I'm done. What
Whatever,
a jerk.
let's get out of here.
Alright, ready?
Yes, ready. Going?
Yeah.
Here's very, 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 very rare. Lemon's sitting on me. I go ahead and put him back in the cage with Cricket and Pearly. Lemon only lets me hold him when it's time to put him back in this cage. And it's the only time you ever, ever touch Lemon.
This is true. Oh. Guess she wasn't ready to go in, huh?
She's dumb.
She's very easy though.
Well, she absolutely does not bite, which is nice.
No, she doesn't. She's just scared, but as soon as you like get her, and she's cool about it.
There she goes.
Yay! Happy family.
Pearly can get her back. Give them a minute or two and they'll be in the nest.
Bye, family.